Hey Professor Emmerich, this is Connor Lowe going over the logic for assignment 4. Line 1, we're going to ask for the input, the first line of the song, set up the line count variable for our iteration, set song lines, the final product equal to our first line, plus line 1 variable that we recently got. Then we set up the while loop. We ask for if they'd like to do more lines, set the yes no, while yes no does not equal no to continue through the while loop. Line count, changing that to an int so we can add it, change it back to a string so we can concatenate it for the final product, ask for the line, add that variable to the concatenation, then finish the while loop, asking for another line to finish out. So here's what it looks like. Into the first line of the song. I close my eyes. Yes. Only for a moment. Yes. And the moment's gone. And that's what I got. And here it is in the end. The song all put together, line 1, line 2, line 3. Thank you.